All right, this is our topic 8.8, example 3, try it problem. It says, Hiromi is painting the front and back of a barn. Each can of paint covers 32 square feet. How many cans of paint does Hiromi need to cover the entire front and back of the barn? So first, the front and the back of the barn are basically the bases of this rectangular prism. All the sides of this barn are rectangles, and then the front and the back are pentagons, which means they're 5-sided. Both look like that. Now, pentagons can be split into different shapes so that I can find the area into smaller shapes that I know how to find the area of. We could split it into two trapezoids, which I find the area of by taking base 1 plus base 2, dividing that sum by 2, and then multiplying by our height. Or I could divide it into a triangle and a rectangle. Now it looks like the base of this rectangle is going to be 12. The height of this rectangle is 11. And then over here on our picture, if I divide this one, it looks like their entire height was 15. But we know that from our bottom to right about there is 11. So if the whole thing is 15, that piece is 11. Whatever's left is this top height. So 15 minus 11 is 4. So the height of this triangle is going to be 4. And the base of that triangle is also 12. So we need to be finding the area of our triangle, which is 1/2 our base times our height. And we also need to be finding the area of our rectangle, which is equal to our base times our height. Now the area of the triangle, if we do 1/2 our base times our base of that triangle is 12. The height of that triangle is 4. So I can multiply straight across. 1/2 times 12 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. I could multiply 12 times 4, which is 48. Divide that by 2 or multiply by 1/2 and I get 24 also. Half of 4 is 2. Multiply that by 12 and I get 24. So anyway I do that multiplication, because I can move things around, I'm going to end up with 24 feet squared. So 24 feet squared is the area of the triangle at the top. And then I need to find the area of the rectangle on the bottom. I go the base, which is 12, times the height, which is 11. Oops, 11. So if I multiply 12 times 11, I end up with 132, and this is feet squared. So lastly, I need to add 132, which is the rectangle, plus 24 is equal to the area of the whole pentagon, right? So 132 plus 24 is going to be equal to 156 feet squared is equal to the area of the pentagon. So we took these areas separately. We found the area of the rectangle, we found the area of the triangle, and then we added those together and found the area of one pentagon. Now, 156 feet squared is the area of one pentagon, but in this rectangular prism, we actually have two pentagons. We need to repaint the front of the barn, and we also need to repaint the back of the barn. So that means we have one pentagon plus another pentagon is going to be equal to the total. So one pentagon is 156 feet squared, plus another pentagon is another 156. Is another 156 feet squared, and that equals our total area. So 156 plus 156 is going to be 312 feet squared is equal to our total area. And then finally, we need to see how much paint Hiromi needs to use for the front and back of the barn. So each can of paint covers 32 square feet. So the last thing that I need to be doing is dividing our total area by 32 square feet. So let's see, I'll write this over here. So the last thing I need to do is look at 312 divided by 32 square feet so that I know how many cans of paint I'm going to need. Number of paint cans. All right, now when I do 312 divided by 32, I end up with 9.75 cans of paint. So that's how many it's going to take. I've never seen a store sell a 0.75 or a can of paint filled to 0.75 or 3/4 of the way. So I'm going to say that Hiromi needs to buy